In this video, you will learn how to find the host names of the servers that host the Okta AD agent and how to identify the Active Directory service account used by the agent. To find the names of the servers in your environment that are hosting the Okta AD agent, open your AD instance in the Okta admin console by accessing Directory, then Directory Integrations and selecting your AD instance. Then click on the Agents tab. The entry found in the name column is the host name of the server. On the server identified in the previous step, there are two methods to identify the AD service account used by the Okta AD agent. The first is to launch the Okta AD Agent Manager and expand Service Account to view the account being used. You can also launch Services.msc and find the Okta AD Agent service. The Active Directory account listed under the Logon as column is the service account used by the agent. This is also displayed when reviewing the Okta AD Agent properties and selecting the Logon tab. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.